Hi friends, today we're going to draw Daddy Pig. Get your pencil and paper ready, let's start. First, let's draw an oval for his nose. Add one line and a curve for his head. Connect the two curves to complete the head. Now we add two ears to his head. Now we add two small circles for his eyes. Add two dots for his pupils. Add two circles around his eyes for his glasses. Add one short line and one long line to complete his glasses. Now let's add a little smile to his face. Let's add some lines for his beard, above and under the mouth. Add two lines as his collar. Let's draw his body. Remember to leave a little space for his right arm. Add a line at the bottom. Let's draw his right arm. Add three little fingers. Let's continue with the left arm. Let's draw a little tuxedo. It looks like two little triangles. Let's complete his suit. Let's draw his leg. Looks like he's wearing pants. Now let's add the shoes. And now let's add the tail. Now we're going to color the Daddy Pig. You can design his suit in your own way. Feel free to pause the video anytime you like. Now we have done drawing our Daddy Pig. We hope you enjoyed drawing Daddy Pig. See you next time. Bye.